Hey guys, just wanted to share with you what I was working on the last couple days out in the shop. Something to hold my cutting fluid. So instead of dipping out the bottle like I've been doing for the last week or two, or some type of pump can, I decided to make this instead. So let's take a closer look. Obviously the brush fits right down in there, like so. And let's start from the top. I welded on, it's like a 20 mil nut. And the reason behind the nut is that these threads are going to be actually functional to where when I dip down and come back out, I'm not going to be dripping it all over the place. I can kind of brush it up against those threads and drain the excess back into the container here. And then I'll put it on whatever I'm working on. But anyway, just put that down. Just welded this nut onto the top here. This top was a 1/4 inch by 2 inch piece of flat stock that I cut to shape, or to size I should say, and then welded on the top here, ground it all down to blend it all in. And then this right here is a 2x2 by 1/8 inch square tubing, and then I welded that to this piece of flat stock here. I think this is like a 1/4 inch or something like that, but I had to cut this down to size 2, but to give it a nice base but not too big to where it's taking up so much extra room. But anyway, I welded that on the bottom there, and that's about it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but I think it'll serve its purpose well. And one thing I want to throw out there is I thought about painting it, but I haven't really painted much of anything that I've made in the shop here. I prefer, up until this point, just that raw industrial steel look. But I have thought about painting this though. But just let me know what you guys think, what colors you think would look good on it, if I should or if I should just leave it the way it is. But either way, leave all that down there in the comments below. But either way, hope you liked it. Hope you got something out of it. Like and subscribe to my channel. But I'll catch you later.